Jane here with Jane's Distractions. Today I'm going to show you how to make a keepsake shirt with a shirt from somebody that you love and a patch, a name patch. You can use any kind of patch, or you could even use embroidery if you don't have a patch. So we're going to be using an old sweatshirt. This was my dad's, and a patch of his name, Walter. And I'm going to be using an embroidery hoop and some thread. So let's get started. Whoops. Now we're finished with our keepsake shirt. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.